Hey, Dirty Dan here from Greasy Boy Customs. There's a lot of things I like. One of my favorite things is new tools. Orion Motortech sent me this valve spring compressor setup, so we're going to find an old cylinder head and try it out, show you what it can do. Not mistaken, I have a pair of cylinder heads for a 400 modified. There we go, right there. God, these things weigh a ton. Now you may be familiar with a valve spring compressor like this. They're big, they're bulky. Yes, they do work, but you gotta put them somewhere. And there's different sizes and depths, and you only have so much adjustability with these. So why not use something maybe a little more compact? Maybe something that goes in a nice case. All your different sizes. Even comes with a pair of gloves. How nice is that? They even have these windows cut out on the side so you can easily get in here with a magnet to pull your keepers out. Once you get your keepers back in, just back it off and you're good to go. This setup gives you a lot of adjustability, not only with the different size cups that you can apply to it, they also have threaded rods that go into both sides. This gives you a lot of adjustability side to side so it can fit the cylinder head you are trying to work on. It was no problem on that 400 Ford head, and I'm sure you wouldn't have a problem on any other automotive or small engine cylinder head. With this nice compact case, you're not going to take up very much space in your shop. And with the price, you're not going to get much of a dent in your wallet either. Whether you are a pro or an amateur, this is a great addition for your shop. You can use this on small engines or larger V8 engine cylinder heads like we just demonstrated. I'll leave a link below so you can go check it out and check out some of the other fine products that Orion Motortech has to offer.